18 of our series. Now, if you look at this question, consider 5x squared minus 4x plus 16 equals to x plus 2 multiplied by qx, then multiplied by 10, where k is the constant. Okay, so we don't know that constant. And q of x is a polynomial in terms of x. Now, that q is always called the quotient. What does the quotient mean? The quotient means that, for example, if I say 7 divided by 2, my answer will be what? 3, which I can multiply by 2 plus 1. Look at, so I am dividing. Okay, let me actually put the divisor here first so that it looks like what we have. 2, all right, multiplied by 3 plus 1. So this is my q. That is 7. 2 would go in 7 3 times, and I have my remainder. But when it comes to a polynomial like this, the beauty of something is this. Okay, so the beauty of this is we are given x plus 2 as a divisor. All right, so we are given x plus 2. That is, now it's not a factor because we have a remainder. If it was a factor, we would have 0. But that doesn't stop me from saying x plus 2 equals to 0, because that's why I have a remainder. Therefore, x equals to what? Negative 2. Now, what this means is if I substitute negative 2 here, and this is where the key is, all right, my answer would be 10. Let's work it out. So negative 2 squared is 4 times 5 would give us 20. All right, 20. So I need you to know that principle quickly, and I'll try to do it in another way for you just to show you something. All right, that is 36. So 2k equals to 10 minus 36, which is negative 26, and k is negative 13. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me show you something again that we learned in calculus, and you can also use this. It's another form of long division. Okay, so we have 5x squared minus 4x plus 16. Now, grade 12s, you might be able to see something here. Minus kx plus what? 16. We are told is equal to x plus 2 multiplied by the quotient plus k. Now, look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw like almost a division line, and you can also learn this for division. Okay, so we have that. 1 second, just want to redraw that line. We normally use this when we're looking for the x-intercept. Okay, now look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to write my a value there. I'm going to write my b value there. I'm going to write my c value there. And I'm going to write my x value there. So in this case, we said x is negative 2. So I'm going to put my negative 2 there. Now, what is my a? My a is 5. Let's use, okay, it's fine. My a is 5. My b is negative k. And my c is 16. I want to show you something. So what we do is we drop this 5. Whatever number there, we just put the 5. Now, watch this principle. You're going to multiply this and this. Negative 2 times 5 would give us what? Negative 10. Now, what you do here is you add. So negative k minus plus negative 10 would give us negative k minus 10. We repeat the same principle of multiplying. We take this and multiply with that. What would that be? Negative 2 times negative k would give us positive k. Negative 2 plus times negative 10 would give us positive what? 20. Now, again, we add. This is where the beauty of maths come in. Now, this should give us this 10 that we got. Oh, no, I said plus k here. Actually, plus 10. So when we do this in grade 12, you remember we used to get 0. That is basically your y value. When you substitute the x value, whatever you get should be your y value. So this is 10. Now, remember what we said. You are adding downwards. So 16 plus k plus 20 equals to 10. If you look at this, we're back here. 16 plus, oh, it's 2k. Don't forget, minus 2, sorry, 2k there. All right, do you notice we're back here? 16 plus 2k plus 20. 16 plus 2k plus 20 equals to 10. We're back there. So 2k equals to negative 26 and k. So the idea is this. This is what I wanted to see. When you substitute, so when you sub in the value of x, all right, y becomes the remainder. Lovely. So when you substitute the value of x, whatever you get as your remainder becomes your y value. I hope that makes sense. Remember, you must substitute when x plus, let's just say k equals to 0. Then you get the value of x. You throw it back into that equation. Whatever you get would be your y value. And in this case, your remainder. I hope this helps you and allows you to see question. All right. You can download more from our Krazifizix study app and get more. Goodbye.